In this video, we will talk about division of fractions. So, tapos na tayo mag-add, mag-subtract, at mag-multiply ng fractions. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-divide ng fractions. So, ang una nating example, you're asked to divide 3/4 by 5/7 or 5/7. So, paano ba tayo mag-divide ng fraction? Meron tayong mga series of steps na gagawin, and I suggest you write them down para mas madaling mo siyang maalala. So, ang una sa mga steps na yon, kailangan nating hanapin ang reciprocal ng ating divisor. Reciprocal of the divisor. So, kailangan nating i-recall na sa division, yung nauuna, pwede ko itong i-rewrite eh. This can be rewritten into 3/4 divided by 5/7 kung ito yung gamit mong symbol, or kung gusto mo 3/4 divided by 5/7 gamit ka ng fraction bar. Pero try muna natin yung nauna. Yan. So sa division, of course, itong nauunang isinusulat, ang tawag natin dyan is the dividend. And then yung pangalawa naman, yung nahuhuli is the divisor. Now, what exactly do we mean by finding its reciprocal? Yung first step natin sa pagdi-divide is to reciprocate or to find the reciprocal of our divisor. Since 5/7 or 5/7 ang ating divisor, ibig sabihin actually ng reciprocal is to flip. Technically, para mas madaling maalala, ginanap ang reciprocal, fini-flip yung number. So, sa fraction, if this is 5/7 or 5/7, pag ni-reciprocate ko yan, kailangan ko lang i-flip. Which means, kung 5/7 yan, i-flip ko yan, that will be 7/5. Yun yung idea ng finding the reciprocal. If-flip mo lang. So, kung given ay 1/2, yung divisor, flip mo, yung reciprocal niyan is 2/1, or since anything divided by 1 is a whole number, 2 na lang. So, may mga cases na gano'n na kapag ni-reciprocate mo, nagiging whole number. Meron din naman na yung whole number pag ni-reciprocate, nagiging fraction. Ayos lang yun. The basic idea is to flip. So, ibig sabihin, yung given natin kanina na 3/4 actually, divided by 5/7 will be 3/4 now and 7/5. 7/5. Now, bakit di ko pa nilagay yung division symbol? Kasi our next step actually in dividing fractions is to multiply. So baka magtaka kayo hindi po ba division ang ating topic? Pero bakit tayo nag-multiply? Because that's just how you divide fractions. It's basically multiplying a number by the reciprocal of the divisor. So, pagkatapos mo hanapin yung reciprocal ng divisor, proceed ka sa multiplication. And then, paano ba mag-multiply ng fractions? You multiply the numerator to the other numerator and the denominator to the other denominator. Let's just go ahead and do that. So 3 multiplied by 7, that will give us 21. And then your denominator, 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Now, kung kaya pang i-simplify ito, please do so. Pero kung hindi na, that will be our final answer. 21/20. Of course, if you're asked to rewrite into mixed number, pwede mo naman yung gawin. You simply divide. Divide mo lang yun. So, 21 divided by 20. Ilang 20 meron sa 21? Merong isa. 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. Reduce mo yun mula sa 21. That will give you 1. So, yung mixed form nitong improper fraction na to, kung halimbawang yun yung hingin ng iyong subject teacher, Yung quotient ang magiging whole number. So that will be 1. And then yung remainder ang yung magiging numerator. So that will be 1 as well. Then hindi ka naman magkakaproblema sa denominator kasi yung divisor mo yun pa rin dito. So kahit alin sa dalawa, tamang sagot. Next. We are asked to divide 2 1/2 by 1 1/4. Naku po, meron ng mixed number. Recall that mixed numbers are basically fractions pero may whole part. Merong buo. Which is in this example's case, 2 tapos 1. Paano tayo magdi-divide ng mixed numbers? The first thing to do, again, I suggest you write the steps down. The first thing to do is to rewrite the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Paano natin yung ginagawa? So, si 2 1/2 para maging improper fraction, ibig sabihin fraction na malaki yung numerator in comparison sa denominator. Para mangyari yon, i-multiply mo yung denominator sa iyong whole number. You multiply. And then, i-add mo dun sa numerator. You multiply and add. So basically, ang magiging itsura ng iyong problem, lagay natin sa baba, 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1, that will be 5. And then, yung denominator mo, retain mo lang. Kung ano yung nandun, ganun pa rin dito. This is now an improper fraction. Kasi mas malaki yung numerator kumpara sa denominator. And then, i-divide down natin by 1 1/4 na again, kailangan nating i-rewrite sa improper fraction. So again, we need to multiply and add. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So yung bagong itsura ni 1 1/4 will be 5/4 or 5/4. And then proceed ka na dun sa nalaman mong paraan ng pagdi-divide. You need to flip the divisor or find its reciprocal. So magiging 5/2. And then ito naman ay 4/5. Yan, divide. Pero hindi mo na actually kailangan ilagay ito kasi yung next step is to multiply. At tapos mong i-flip, you then need to multiply. So, numerator multiplied by the numerator and then the denominator multiplied by the denominator. So 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then 2 times 5 will give us 10, which can be simplified into how many 10 do we have in 20? We have 2. And that will be our final answer. Now it's your turn. Can you do this? May mixed number, tapos yung isa whole number, pero bigyan kita ng hint. Lahat ng whole number merong denominator na 1. So maybe you can start from here. Let me know in the comment section kung ano ang iyong magiging sagot or kung merong part ng video na to na hindi mo gaanong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this video.